Sean Cody at TexasGunTrust.com and TexasGunTalk.com. I'm in the Mossberg booth. This is the JM Pro Series 930 it's got a 9+1 magazine tube. It's the Jerry Micholek's co-brand with Mossberg. It's their little semi-automatic 3-gun competition shotgun. Get to the end of the tube. You see the interchangeable choke tubes on the end. And they've got the new kryptek camouflage pattern that's all the rage these days. Normal Mossberg safety on the top. Recoil pad. It's a beautiful, beautiful shotgun, ready for 3-gun.